Well, it happened again. I left my sheets in the dryer, and now they're a jumbled, wrinkled mess. So what are we gonna do to fix this? Let me show you. This is the LG front load washer and dryer, and this actually has the steam setting. So what this is gonna do, I just threw my sheets that were sitting in there all night back into the dryer. I'm gonna turn on the unit, and I'm gonna select Steam Fresh. I'm gonna close the door, and I'm gonna hit start. And that is all I need to do. It is about a 10 to 15 minute cycle, depending on how much clothes are in there, or sheets in my case, or even towels. What's gonna happen, you're actually gonna start hearing the steam here in a couple minutes, but it's gonna count down. It's actually going to change this 10, typically a little bit down to what the sensor is sensing is in there. So it might not be 10 minutes, it might not be 15, but this is a really good kind of refresh cycle for those sheets that become a jumbled, wrinkled mess. And actually, if you come over here, you can start to hear it. That's the steam moving the water from the washer into the dryer. So yes, you will need an extra hose. It's called a Y hose that's gonna connect your washer to your dryer, but that's how you're gonna get that steam in there. And if you wanna come here, I'm gonna kind of stop the cycle for a second. And if you look right in the back there, that's where your steam's gonna come out. So I'm just gonna push this back in, hit start, and we're gonna check back in a couple minutes and see how my sheets come out. So the cycle just ended, so let's take a look and see how it did. So first, this is gonna be the fitted sheet. Now keep in mind, there is no magic fairy that is actually going to completely press the wrinkles out, but as you can see, look how relaxed they are. So when you actually put this on the mattress itself and you kind of do that nice little kind of flattening out, a lot of those wrinkles are gonna even relax more. So this is your fitted sheet. I'm not gonna fold this for you because we all know how big of a pain that is. I'm just gonna put this up here for now. And then this is going to be your flat sheet. Again, look how much better that looks compared to the jumbled mess it was before. And that's it. That's your simple steam cycle. This is in the LG front load washer and the dryer. Take a look at some of the showrooms near you. See what washer and dryer fit your best to your lifestyle. Thanks so much.